What's up guys, I've got a quick tutorial for you today on how to do the Archer Push-Up. So an Archer Push-Up is like a regression to being able to do a full single arm push-up. Looks a little bit like this. So the way we're going to get to be able to do those is just once you're good at your regular wide grip push-up. So if you have a little bit of a wide grip push-up and you've got quite a few of those, then all you do is just start to bias to one side to the other a little bit. So you can take a nice wide grip for your push-up. And as I go down, all I'm going to do is just come off slightly to the side a little bit more. Over time, I just put my hands further apart and just gradually work my way side to side a little bit more until you're closer off to doing the full version. So again, I'm going to have my hands nice and wide, feet are relatively wide as well. I'm going to drop right off to that side, other arm is reasonably straight, drop right off to that side, other arm is reasonably straight. So there you go, have at it. If you have any questions, just let me know.